Hey, this is a big ass bed. Wait, why do you get a pole? Why do you get a pole?
I don't care.
There's a bed outside too in the living room that you can pull out.
Happy birthday!
Thank you! So you know this is your room? You're sharing with Cindy, Kevin, and Dan?
Yeah, as long as I have a bed.
Vicky, you have an airbed.
It's your guys'. Nice. That's a bed? What? Oh shit, it's a pull-out too. Wow, that's cool.
Pull out the other one too.
You know this flips over?
Not right now.
Flips over for the thing.
I don't think so. Hey, who brought the dogs in?
Are the dogs
Is Vito still in the car? Okay. And then John and Eric are wait, do you want it? Do you want it?
This is chill pad right here.
I think this is the bed one.
This is the bed one.
And then you guys figure out your own living room area. We're waiting for Ben and Hawker to barbecue!
So we're going to the beach. Let's unpack.